Frankie TV and I get the exclusive, you know. As you can see. Yeah. How the beach set. That area name?
What's a real town?
Raytown.
You don't really know where you're
This is the beach nice. Yeah, exclusive footage, you know. See these nice rocks. Yeah. As you can see on the place. Yeah, man. Wow. So the water nice. Exclusive. Man, over there so there's a boat. Yeah, man, as you can see how the place set these rocks nice, you know. Alright, ready now, you know? Yeah. Girl come check me now with the tightness. Anytime she come, she have the rightness. See how I fit. Man, as you can see how the place look. These stones, what do you think about these stones? Has somebody put them like this or?
Yeah, well, the government them truly rising at the sea.
Oh,
Pop this stone, then there's the water can come up.
okay,
So them all out airport.
okay,
I have a time when this water come out.
okay,
I go to the,
okay,
yeah, man.
okay. Nice community, you know. Understand, nice buildings. Understand. Yeah, look at that ship. Yeah, you see the ship? You can say free like a bird, flying away. You see the fly? Enjoyable water this month, as you can see how the water look pretty and nice. But I don't know the depth of this water here. That's a sewage. This look like it's a sewage water. What kind of bird that? Bird that eat the fish? Yeah. Yeah. So when we are go back now, what we are going to do? Go in this lane and just go around? Oh. Yeah. Alright, thanks, yeah? Yeah. Oh, she come out to carry. No, no. Thanks. Hi, fish? No. Just a look to the beach. No. Well, it look like a fishing ground this. Oh man, as you can see the place look nice. You have a lot of little setup. Okay. Charter one of them little boats you find yourself going way across. Yeah man. Nice and beautiful though. Anyhow the water did look more clearer. You can chance a thing, but from the looks of the water, you know that nice. But I two of the fishing area still, You understand? So the fishing area. The ship that crossway and a ship that crossway. Alright, you ready? Yeah, man. Yeah, I tell you, say, maybe I that them would have give it as a charter. Because them big one, they look like, say, a real work. Yeah, to catch the fish then. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, all of the, yeah. Yeah, all of it mark. It's a fiberglass, look like say half of the boat. Mhm. Bless, bless. Amen. Amen. Blessings, blessings. Amen. With red. Okay. Okay. I never hear so we did walk come in, you know.
Around, sir.
Right there so we pass. Yeah. I think so we pass, you know. Yeah. True. Yeah. Sea water. Rainwater. True.
Look out, the enemy. Look out, frenemy. Look out, a friend